This thing is awesome. 73 Ford F250 Highboy. You guys are gonna love this build. Hey, we are doing a chassis swap on a 1975 Ford F250 Highboy four-wheel drive. We're taking a 2012 F150 chassis. We're shortening it 12 inches. It's already four-wheel drive. It's got a 5.0 Coyote and a 6-speed automatic. It will make this girl run like a regular old car. You can put grandma in it.
Well, this is the truck that's going to be built off of the late model Ford stuff. It's time to get it apart. Oh man, somebody took the face off. Yeah.
All right, now comes the fun. We are going to chop this thing in half. Everyone in the world can do this. Get off the couch, go cut a frame. We're chopping this in half. We have another section to a frame because this one had actually been in an accident and our frame horns were bent. We didn't want that. So we're going to chop this off, pull the front end. We're going to bring the other piece in. We've got our marks on it. We're going to cut it. We're going to splice this girl back together. All right, so we have cut the frame down. We got it all mocked back up. We have it squared. We have it leveled. I already welded the other side. We'll go ahead and buzz the line down there. We did grind down through that so we have a nice V, so we'll get good penetration. And then we'll do the other side. We'll recheck everything for square. And we're ready to put the front end back in this thing and start setting the body. Well, there's the finished chassis with the cab setting on it and the bed. We're getting ready to strip it all down. We're going to send it out, get it sandblasted and painted. We're going to start body and paint on the cab. Hey, thanks for coming out and watching the Outrod Garage. Leave us a comment. We really appreciate you guys coming out. Thanks for watching. What does this 10-lug semi-truck have to do with this? Okay, and what does this have in common with this? These are gigantic super single semi-truck tires. What do these three things have in common?